Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart,
the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an exciting showdown between two popular dash cams.
On the left, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and on the right, we have the Focusway Dash Cam Front Rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons.
Let's dive in.
When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams pack a punch. The DKK Dashcam offers a 170-degree wide-angle 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera. It captures all three lanes of the road with vivid and clear footage.
On the other hand, the Focusway Dashcam takes it up a notch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution dual lens recording. It captures front camera footage in stunning 4K and rear camera footage in Full HD 1080p. You won't miss a single detail on the road with this one. Now let's talk about night vision.
The DKK Dashcam comes equipped with a WDR function that automatically adjusts the brightness, ensuring excellent visibility during night driving.
But guess what?
The Focusway Dashcam takes it to the next level with its advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor and improved f1.5 large aperture lens.
Combined with WDR, HDR technology, it captures license plate numbers and details even in the darkest of nights.
Now that's what I call superb night vision. Dash cams are not just about recording videos, they come with some cool additional features too. The DKK Dashcam offers loop recording, accident lock, and even a parking monitor function that automatically senses and records a short video if your car is hit or scratched. Plus, it's super easy to install with all the accessories provided.
But hold on tight, because the Focusway Dashcam has some tricks up its sleeve too. It offers smart voice control, faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS tracking, and even 24-hour parking monitoring.
You can control your recorder hands-free and easily share your journeys with friends.
Talk about being high-tech.
Overall, based on online reviews, the DKK Dashcam 1080p Full HD is recommended for its excellent video quality, reliable features, and affordable price. Reviewers praise its customer service and user-friendly interface. On the other hand, the Focusway Dashcam Front Rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi is highly recommended for its stunning video resolution, advanced night vision, and range of high-tech features. Reviewers appreciate its clear footage, easy installation, and user-friendly app.
That's all for today's showdown.
We hope this comparison helped you in making a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting comparisons. Leave a comment below about which dashcam you prefer and why. The product links are available in the description. Stay smart and happy shopping!